Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you how you can connect your GoPro to your Amazfit T-Rex 2 through this Zap app on your smartphone. After you connect the first time, and then you no need to use your smartphone, only you need to use your smartwatch and your GoPro. Okay, first of all you need to connect your smartwatch with the smartphone through the Zap app. So you need to download the apps called GoPro. Okay, for example, now you press profile and then go to your Amazfit and then select App Store. All you need to do just press this one and you need to find the GoPro. I think you can see all the thing here. Here is GoPro, and select on it, install and transfer to this phone and transfer to the smartwatch. Okay, now let's check out in the smartwatch. Because I already downloaded, you can check out detail in the video. Download the app in the Amazfit T-Rex 2, and now you need to open the GoPro. Okay, so here is the GoPro's app. Just open it and then set your camera to pairing mode. Okay, now turn on GoPro. Okay, after you turn on your GoPro, just scroll it down and then scroll to the left and you will see pair device. Select pair device and now it's searching. Okay, and you just tick, and now it show you the GoPro device. Select on it and now it's connecting to each other. Okay, and now it's connect. Okay, so you can adjust the mode through here. Just press this setting and then you can change to auto mode, and now I try to capture. Okay, capture it and then standard video, press to record. Okay, stop record. Okay, so that is useful when you have your T-Rex smartwatch and your GoPro. You can just remote it from your smartwatch. For example, you can put your GoPro far away and press record through your smartwatch. Okay, so I hope you got the point, and now thanks for your time watching this short video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.